Hello everyone. Today I'll be preparing Naga style mushroom salad or mushroom chutney. Miyam ngasi mushroom morok melaga charage asisi Naga style hai tareko. So let's start preparing it. Sisi amakha gori ko ni ai de manga tine ko. This will be more than enough for me. Just wash it. First it's time to say segai de ngai ko. Now it's time to enjoy my lunch. Lunch sa again mayam. Isi may lak by lame use to No par at the moment, so you can see I'm using lame. So yummy. Không được rồi nè. Mushroom in house put in lại. This is spicy and very delicious. Rok sa da su hao rồi bako rok sa do yang hao. Your favorite jaga su yao ra. Yang ngasi di si wai de lo sin der ge. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.